meron ngayon?
Singapore Night Festival. Ayun yata, ayun. Nasa kabila. Nasa kabila. Nasa kabila.
Galing kasi kami yung Bugis Junction.
Bugis Plaza, sa kabila pa ang
Junction yun, hindi plaza.
Plaza.
Walang Bugis Plaza. Bugis Junction.
Junction.
Ayun, nakikita na natin ang liwanag. Kita ba? Lapitan natin.
Kapag ganun. So, papuntang Waterloo Center. Or here. May amoy. Madami tao. Wala naman ako na.
Okay. Wala.
Ikaw?
Baka may sense daw. Dito. Hello. Ito lang ang amoy yun.
Hindi, meron ako bang amoy. Meron na.
What's that?
Papagod ka muna bago makakita.
Talaga?
Kasi manual eh.
Face eh.
Gusto niyo ka face eh.
Kaya ka face eh.
不过可以讲到我的 face 就把我讲。
Kaya ka face eh.
No, they're generating the thing through the cycling.
You cycle 他走了，他走，来，来在这边。
Kapagod naman to.
Keep biking!
Bakit biking?
The big mask is there.
He started already.
Back when we were in like primary or secondary school, whereby we have these country erasers, right? Where we play on the table. So we flip it using our hands one time. Whoever eraser is at the top of the other person eraser, right? They win. And normally for last time we get to keep their country eraser. Yeah, so it's like a collection thing lah. Yeah, so this one we make a giant version.
Okay.
So how it works is that the first person, you guys is like scissors, paper, stone. Whoever starts first gets to flip one time, and the next person will go and continue lah. So whoever reaches on the top is the winner. Just want to give it a try.
Yeah.
Oh, you have to leave it on the ground. You cannot pick it up, so you flip from the ground. Yes. Okay, you want to restart again? Yes, that's how it works. Yeah. So back then, if let's say you're the Australia and you're Singapore, right? You get to keep the Singapore flag. She gets to keep the Singapore flag. So your collection until that person has no more eraser. Alright, thank you.
Yun muna for
Part
today's
one.
video.
Part
Part 1. Malaki talaga siya, kaya nga siya largest. Ay, yun dalawa. Gusto mo, sundan muna natin yan. Okay. Walang susuko.
Wala
Nakakarinig kami ng performances. Punta natin. Narinig yung ingay na yan. Kasama yun sa festival.
At least daily dose sa paano na tayo exercise.
Ito, sipa sa atin sa Pilipinas. Dito ay kafte.
Somewhat of a
Ito,
jackstone.
parang siyang jackstone. Pero ang tawag sa kanya ay batu. Karamba. Ito yung nilaro namin kanina. Country Racer. Tapos, ito ay trompo sa Pilipinas. At ang tawag dito ay gasing, whatever. Anong pronunciation yan? Gasing.
Gasing ata, gasing.
Gasing. Pawis na pawis ako. Hindi nyo lang nakikita, pero pawis na pawis kami.
Dahil paikot-ikot.
Ay, nandito yung merry-go-round. Anong tawag dyan?
Carousel!
Carousel. Merry-go-round.
Merry-go-round. Carousel.
Saan po galing yung merry-go-round?
Patap.
Ang kasi yan.
Merry-go-round.
Anong tawag dyan?
Carousel.
Carousel. Saan ko magaling yung merry-go-round?
Kanta tayo.
Tapos yan, anong tawag doon?
Ay, balik ka naman.
Carousel din.
Hindi ka ata.
A long time since you heard any poetry.
Anong tawag doon sa ganyan? European swing ride. Doon na. So, may bayad po. Kaya hindi kami papasok dahil may bayad. Napagod na talaga. So, wait for the part 2. Wait for the part 2. Part 2.
Init.
Pero this time mainit.
Init.
At mag-start kami dito sa festival at the port. So, port kanina. Ang haba ng pila. Mali po tayo. This is for the Valley Under the Stars. Mali na naman tayo, guys. Naligaw na naman tayo. Mapapagod na naman po
Ang mga adventurers.
Adventurers talaga. Sabi ni Kuya, wala daw dito sa Fort Canning. Maniniwala ka ba? Nandito tayo sa...
National
Dito tayo. Spice
Garden.
So, ito na. Totoo na to.
Yes, 4 in total. And then
Okay.
for the first one, you can find your answer to the left of the Spice Garden.
What is the scientific name of Greater Galangal?
Dito. Letter G start?
Yes.
Wala.
So, makikita natin siya sa mga ganyan.
Garanggal.
Saan siya? Alpinia Galanga.
Para siyang luya.
Actually, ginger.
Ano yun, tama?
Tayo sa sagot. Follow the light. Wala pa yung light. Dahil maaga pa. Maaga pa para sa light. Ayun, yung next. This is the dark green crooks and is always slimy. Sprague! Then the next is...
Hinalaan ko lang. Vessel, pangalan.
What was the name of the vessel used to transport its liquid form? Yun yung pinipilaan natin kanina na meron palang ticket. So manonood silang ballet. Dito tayo sa libre. Yung sagot. Next
Stars.
question.
Count the stars shining so bright, how many twinkle in a soft moonlight?
2, 3,
11.
12.
let's see. Free tickets. Merong may nagbigay sa amin. Kaya tayo nakapasok dito. First line.
Because I think I can hear my stomach rumble again. I'm gonna put the microphone to my stomach.
Para siyang
That was my stomach. Please get
hindi, parang siya yung
burger and samosas.
papel na aeroplanong papel.
Spending your time here with us at along Armenian Street, part of Singapore Night Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the rest of the evening here at Pixel Paradise.
Ay, ako na lang.
Go na.
Hindi, maganda tayo. Wala, nakalimutan ko na ata.
Yan, tapos ganyan. Okay lang. Yan.
Tapos, gaganan.
Yan. Tapos sa gilid.
Hindi, ganyan muna.
O yan, tapos sa gilid.
Tama. Wala, ang tagal ko na pa. Tagal ko nang di gumawa nito.
Hindi ka bored.
Palipad natin. Saan natin mapalipad?
Diyan, diyan. Yan. Pwede na, pwede na. Wala. May effect yung may effect yung nasa likod.
So this is behind. Dito ka sasayaw.
May effect siya sa likod. Ilaw.
Hindi namin nagawa ng one night. Third night na to.
Mahirap siya. Mahirap eh.
You almost had it, you guys almost had it. Oh, it's nice.
Napagod dito. Napagod maglaro.
So that concludes our trip.
Hindi namin nagawa lahat. Hindi namin napuntahan lahat kasi hindi na namin alam nasaan. Tinry namin. Nakakaligaw. At saka hanggang bukas na lang.
Like and subscribe.